Hello and welcome to your favorite tech TV show where we look at issues, trends and development in the global tech space. We also play host to innovators, big thinkers, CEOs and professionals who are driving today's digital economy. Our tech personality of the week is Mr. Reuben Muoka, Director, Public Affairs, Nigerian Communication Commission, NCC. Reuben Muoka is a veteran tech journalist and public relations practitioner. He currently manages the NCC perceptions and other related issues. Please stay with us.
My name is Reuben Muoka. I'm the Director of Public Affairs, Nigerian Communications Commission. I received award as one of the 50 digital enablers. I'm happy to have received it because I didn't know I am one of the 50 in Nigeria. So it makes one to be proud, to have been recognized, to have to understand that the little things you do here and there contributes to some recognition of this nature. And I appreciate it because the organizers are publishers of an IT magazine and who can, in all honesty, be able to analyze the industry and to be able to identify those who have contributed to it in one way or the other. So that's why I'm happy about it.
So how would you describe today's event? How would you describe it, sir?
Today's event is very nice. If you remember, NCC got a total of 10 awards. Our Chief Executive Officer, Professor Omar Badambata, and the Executive Commissioners and some of our fellow directors also got awards. So it feels nice that NCC as an institution was able to produce 10 awardees out of 50 that was done in the industry for government agencies, organized private sector, media institutions, and everybody, and we're able to receive 10 out of the 50. So it makes it unique to us because that's an encouragement that at least all the work we are doing at NCC is being seen and recognized and being rewarded.
So, sir, what's your key takeaway from today's event, sir?
Today's event takeaway was the focus on the digital economy. In the world today, the efforts to develop the digital economy or make the country digital economy enabled is very important and very crucial. And just as if you watched the panel where this was discussed, we said we are at the starting point. We are not just there yet, but the starting is good, the structures are good, the regulatory approach is good. And if you look at the digital economy policy, regulation is topmost. Because if you get the regulation right, you are going to do well. And I think that the regulation in this country has started right in that direction. And the NCC has offered the leadership in that direction also, and in taking up its responsibilities. So that's my take home, because it means that we are going in the right direction, especially with the regulatory processes and the attainment of certain level of activities in the sector that coalesce to provide the digital economy.
Sir, do you think technology can actually help in an election in Nigeria, sir?
I think that our Chief Executive Officer, Professor Omar Badambata, has already spoken at an event in which we collaborated with even the INEC about the crucial nature of technology in this election. You can see that a lot of things revolve around communicating results, coverage of networks in locations where elections will hold, the beavers, and in fact, that is the nature of technology, because in these days there's really no sector can function without technology, no sector at all. And of course, when you come to issue of election, you will see that it's actually driven by technology. So, and technology is being trusted to give you transparent results, make things work fast, let electorates, voters to be easily identified, and a whole lot that goes with it. So I think that technology has a lot to do with the elections.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And that was our tech personality of the week, Mr. Reuben Muoka, Director of Public Affairs Nigerian Communication Commission, NTC. Please reach us on the numbers and email now showing on your screen. You can also watch these on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. On behalf of the crew, I'm Angel Smile. Thanks for watching.